I want to talk about an option that many people who are in immigration court disregard, but because of some changes, they should consider it. And it's called Post Conclusion Voluntary Departure, VD. I understand it sounds like I'm saying deportation, but it's worth evaluating. I never used to like VD, but now you can ask for Post Conclusion VD. Keyword post conclusion. This means you can have your day in court, fight your asylum case, waiver case, cancellation case, whatever case that you have in immigration court. Even if you don't win in court, you can still appeal to the Board of Immigration Appeals, which can take a couple of years. And then at the end of the appeal is when you have up to 60 days to leave the United States. So the important change is now that what's available is that you're not giving up your immigration court case. You can still fight it. You are not going to give up your appeal. So it'll still take many years in the United States while you fight your case in court, and you should continue to be eligible to receive work authorization or work permit while your case is in immigration court. And also while your case is on appeal, you should be able to continue your work permit. But let's say you lose both in court and on appeal. Then as long as you leave within the 60 days after the appeal is ended, you do not leave then with a deportation order, but with VD. And this is important because if you have a qualifying relative, such as a U.S. citizen husband or wife, or a 21-year-old U.S. citizen child, or even possibly parents who are LPRs or U.S. citizens, you would actually have a way to come back into the United States before the 10 years. And you're probably looking at about 2 to 3 years under current waiver processing times. But if you take the deportation order or overstay the VD, the possibilities are very, very remote that you will be able to fix your status. So post-conclusion VD is not something I like myself, but I've definitely seen the possibility of bringing someone back who's married to a U.S. citizen within just about the time it takes to do a waiver. And if there's a belief that your case is not that strong or that you're going to lose that case, then file that family petition while you're still in the United States, while your case is still in immigration court, or even while your case is on appeal before the Board of Immigration Appeals. That way, your time outside the United States will be far less. Something to consider than just taking a hard deportation and maybe possibly never being able to fix your situation.